Hello, it's Letitia, and it is officially Scorpio season! And as most of you know, Scorpios are the most annoying about their signs. But back to topic, we're going thrifting today. I have a couple of pieces in mind about what I want to thrift. Always looking for a denim jacket, maybe a leather jacket, which is rare to find. So you guys can come shopping with me, and yes! Good to be home. Okay, first thing I see when I walk in, a beautiful fur coat. I like the sleeves. I like the fits. $60. Not bad, not bad. Good luck. So cheetah print is super in. And I'm trying to find something that like I can maybe thrift transform. I would love to make a wrap skirt. I think a cheetah print, leopard print dress might be too much. So turning it into a skirt would be nice. This one I have to see. This one has enough material for me to cut into. But I like the silkiness of this one. This already comes as like a wrap dress. So this might be okay to transform. But I already have so many of these, or like similar styles. But this is like very much me, a tent shirt dress, white. Let's see if we can buy some leather jackets. So if you're ever looking for crop tops, girls section, they're already made short. Look at these. These two would make like really cute crop tops. The material of this is so nice. Oh my god, I just found the best top ever. Actually, something that Olivia taught me is never to skip the lingerie section, because you could find quite a lot of like good lace camis, slip dresses. You know your girl enjoys the Hoey section. These are real leather pants. I don't know if I could pull these off, but surprisingly the leg is tapered. They are denier. I mean, if they were black, I'd probably take them, but I don't think I'd put it off. As usual. This is how far I've gone up. Always to the brim of the shopping cart. Let's try it on. Alright. All of these. But let's try the fur coat. Oof. Obviously it's heavy. Whoa. 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 Okay, I actually found a jumpsuit. If you see, there's a seam on the inside of the pant, but there is no side seam, which means that I can split the pants, like open up the seam, somehow attach it. There's lots of material to work with, and maybe as backup, because look, they're so similar. So I could use this as the ribbon wrap, this part. Like, this couldn't have worked out any better. I should get a pink pantsuit if it fits me perfectly right. It's a little sheer. It's a little sheer. But, like, this calls my name, right? I just want to add some buttons so that I can wear it as a top. Look at these straw bags. Is this too weird? Picture it with like a white t-shirt. Look at all the compartments. Now all I see is leopard. Two very square-toed mules. And the concept is great, but I don't think I like it. Okay, look at these, and look at these. Super cute. At this rate, I don't even have enough to get home decor stuff. I have no room. These are so cute. Okay, my ideal set. and a good size for Coke. If you're ever looking for anything for your plants, like little woven baskets, look how cute this is. This one has cute little porcelain detail. Look at how cool this tea light structure is. The land of abandoned mason jars. I'm back with the usual full-size haul. It's big, but I will wait until tomorrow to show you guys when there's more daylight. It's a sack. I ended up getting the jumpsuit and the leopard wrapped dress, and the jumpsuit was considered a dress. So because the sale was on for 50% off dresses, I got the jumpsuit and the dress for, this one's $12.99, this wrap dress. So I got it for about $6, and this one I got from $9.99, so about $5. And this one will be my DIY thrift transformation. Stay tuned for that. I'm very excited. It's crazy how the material is exactly the same and the pattern is almost exactly the same. I got the cardigan. It's actually a Forever 21 cardigan. Nothing too special about it. I guess, I mean, $6.99. It's a little pricey, but it fits really well. It's exactly what I was looking for, to be worn like a sweater, and it's just low enough that I don't need to wear anything underneath. I also got a sports bra. I don't know what your thoughts are in wearing athletic wear or swimwear that's thrifted. If it's athletic wear, I'm pretty comfortable with it because I can still wash it. Swimwear, I would need a special cleaner to wash it, so I would be less inclined to purchase swimwear. But this is fine. It's just a sports bra. Not that I run, but it's for yoga purposes. I ended up getting the pink pantsuit. Like, crazy! I can't believe I got a bubblegum pink pantsuit. Oh, and I didn't even notice the sleeves have a beautiful button detail. Usually it'll come with pink plastic buttons. That is not cute. I love the contrast. And 4 buttons? Like, who splashed out on 4 buttons? Except they don't have buttons around the lapel area, so there's no button to attach and close the blazer, which I will probably add. But I got this pink pantsuit for $15. I'm so happy about that. Random, I got a lunch bag for Stefan for 99 cents. And then, so I ended up getting ice cube trays. If you guys ever go to the dollar store and find these ice cube trays, you need to pick them up. They're the best ice cube trays I've ever had. I'm not even trying to like boost ice cube trays. It's really not that big of a deal, but it is a big deal because these ice cube trays have a soft bottom. You push your ice cubes out. So you know, usually ice cube trays are hard at the bottom. You have to like bang it to get the ice cube out. This, you just pop them out and your ice cubes are perfect. Plus they're the perfect size. Anyway, I did also end up getting the plus size pleather jacket, also Forever 21. It was a bit pricey, $25, but this is my first, nope, I lied. This is my this is my first black faux leather jacket. Still not a fan of the embroidery on it. Personally, I would want to take it off, except embroidery on a material like pleather probably has holes if I try to rip it out. I love the stud details on the sleeves. Okay, kind of ashamed because bandage dresses are so 5 years ago, maybe longer. But I just really like the fit of this. But it is a bodycon bandage dress. It fits really well. It's in great condition. The straps need to be reinforced because the back of it is already popping off. But yeah, just your standard. Also, because it's half off, I got it for $10 instead of $20. I feel like majority of my wardrobe is becoming more and more thrifted. I've kind of stopped shopping for the most part. Actually, I was never a big shopper, but now I'm like really not into shopping. But thrifting, I will always go back to. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you can. And if you want to see how I style all these pieces, I put them all out on Instagram. You can find me at Letitia Q, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!